What risk to reward ratio should a good strategy have? The one that I will share with you in this video has already brought me a 1 to 20,000 risk to reward ratio more than 15 times, meaning that from $10 I earned at least $2,000 in just 5-7 minutes. This is absurd. Watch the video to the end and I will share a bonus to the strategy. I will reveal the clearest, step-by-step and safest plan on how to earn an income of $900 per day in trading.
That's unbelievable.
Hello dear traders, this is Evelyn. I have been trading for over 5 years now and my earnings exceeded $1.5 million in the last year. And the most important piece of information I have for you today is that I have a support program for new traders. If you want to take part in it, then join my free Telegram channel where every day I share trading signals with more than 27,000 subscribers. They just copy my trades and we all earn 600 to 700k in one session together. And guess what? Each member has the possibility of receiving my support every single day. So join us for free using the link in the description or in the pinned comment below.
This is incredible, isn't it?
So, our strategy today is designed for trading on the 5-second time frame, which means we will earn money even faster than usual. Let's start with $9 from an amount that everyone can afford. Let's take 10 trades and I guarantee you that in these 5-7 minutes I will earn more than $2,000. And in the last step, we go to the pocket option platform and set all the necessary settings. First, let's set the trading time to 5 seconds and the candlestick time frame to 5 seconds. Second, let's select currency pairs. So we have Australian and Canadian dollar, Australian and Swiss franc, Australian and New Zealand, Canadian and Swiss franc. Last but not least, we have the indicators that will help us today. Let's start with the Bollinger Bands with a period of 15 and a deviation of 1.2. Let's change the styles of all lines to 2 and choose the color pink so that the indicators are bright and everything is clear. Now, the RSI, the period will be 10. We will also adjust the line style to 2 and make it pink as well. Watch the video to the end and I will tell you what the specifics of these indicators are and why they're so effective for this strategy. I have an important question for you. Have you ever traded on the 5-second time frame before? Which time frame do you think is the best for creating strategies? Any traders would benefit from exchanging information because this way we can inspire each other with new strategies. So be sure to write your opinion in the comments.
Okay.
Now, we're in full combat readiness and let's see our 5-second strategy in action. Let's see how it will bring us over 20,000% profit in 7 minutes. Let's go. Okay, trade number 1, Canadian and Swiss franc. We're going higher. We had an ascending channel, then a reversal occurred, but even after that, the bulls did not give up and powerful bearish impulses were followed by a good rebound, on which we entered the trade. Excellent. We won our first trade. We almost doubled the deposit. Now we have $17. Australian and New Zealand dollars. Going bearish. Let's press the lower button. This pair has been on a downtrend for a long time, and we successfully managed to enter a trade at the top after the pullback. There you have it. We did it again and earned $32. Let's move. The Aussie dollar and Swiss franc. This is a sideways trend. Let's go lower. So, the price has reached a historical high, then it fell to a minimum and began a long sideways movement. At our entry, the continuation of the downward movement was obvious, and the indicators pointed to a decrease in price. They worked out the trend very well. Our income is already $61. And all thanks to the knowledge of technical analysis, which I openly and sincerely share with you. Support my work by liking this video. After all, I'm doing this for you. For yourself, of course, too. It's very nice when people around you recognize your expertise and use your advice. Fine, let's move on.
Okay, let's move on.
Australian and Canadian dollars. Let's put everything 100% on the downside. Pressing the lower button. This is a long downtrend again, which hit its limit, pulled back a little, and a slight consolidation began. Perfect. Now we are at $117 and it's time for the next trade. Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Another downtrend. Let's hit the lower button. The entry point was chosen very well on this one. Right after a strong pullback, price plummeted to the downside and we caught the move. Amazing! Now we're at $225. Right now, we're just warming up and we'll easily increase our deposit by 2,000%. By the way, I highly recommend taking note of all my strategies. For example, in the video, I easily increased my deposit by 45,000% from $10 to $4,566 in just 11 minutes. Watch the video, learn the strategy, and use it to the fullest. Click here or follow the link in the description. Now, let's move on to our next trade. Aussie and New Zealand dollar. We can see a clearer uptrend. I'll press the higher button. Here, the RSI signals us that when there is a sharp increase in price, the line rushes upward. Wonderful. Our total rose to $428, and this is good. Next couple. Aussie and Swiss franc. I mean, obviously, going higher. The Bollinger Bands signal a price jump upward. In addition, it was clear that the bulls were trying to break through previous highs and that there were strong impulses, as we can see with the green candles. Wow, we've increased our account to $821. The strategy is working perfectly. I think we can let her show off some more. Australian and Canadian dollars. We can expect the uptrend to continue, so let's click higher. Our momentum wasn't significant for the 5-second time frame. Our balance is unchanged. We still have $821. It's okay, it happens. Let's move on to the next pair. Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. We are going lower. We entered at the right time, the trend shifted from an historical high, and we followed it. And now, a few words about our indicators. The Bollinger Bands display the current deviations in price. It is built with upper and lower border that form a corridor around the moving average. The smaller the deviation and the narrower the corridor, the lower the market volatility. The RSI calculates the ratio of a pair's positive and negative price fluctuations, and its value scale of 0 to 100 allows you to analyze the overall strength of the trend as well as the instrument's present degree of oversold or overbought. Yep, our deposit has grown to $1,577. How nice is that?
Oh, this is very nice. This is very nice.
Now, I'm planning on taking another trade. Let's keep our eyes open. So, deal number 10, Australian and New Zealand dollar. I think we can all agree and go higher. Bollinger Bands are moving up along with the RSI. We expect the price to rise. Great, wonderful, fabulous. Everything happened according to the plan. In 7 minutes, we made 27,500%. We earned a whopping $2,497 from a meager $9. In 7 minutes, 27,500%. Pretty cool, right? I can 100% declare that this is a stunning strategy and I encourage everyone to use it in their trading. And now for the clearest, step-by-step and safest plan for earning $900 a day that I promised you. It's simple. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel, trade using my signals along with more than 27,000 of my subscribers, and earn 600 to 700,000 with us. I will support you and explain how to use pocket options and which buttons to press. I'll tell you everything in detail and check that it's completely free. All you have to do is copy my trades. The risk is very tiny because my win rate is above 89.5%. Look how lucky my subscribers flood me with thanks and kind reviews.
I was almost like giving up trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
To be honest, my trading and signals are not at all difficult, and a passive income of $900 every day is very pleasant. Just follow the first link in the description or pinned comment under the video and write me a private message. Love everyone! Bye bye!